All right, guys, so what we want to talk about is sanitary welds with the laser. And I'll be honest with you, if I didn't know any better, I would have said that the laser was literally designed for food grade, medical grade, sanitary style welds. All right, and the reason for that is the weld profile of the laser inherently meets those criteria. So if you think about it, for sanitary welds, we want flat to concave, no undercut, no spatter. The laser itself is already a flat bead profile. We can adjust that to make it slightly concave really easily. We've got no spatter. Undercut's the function of too much voltage. We don't have any voltage. And we have precise control of our heat input, meaning that we can make a good weld without any fear of melt through or sugaring on the backside. Now, I always tell people that welding faster is cool, but that the real ticket is being able to eliminate post-processing, right? Any secondary operations. So being able to make this weld and not have to go back in and reprofile that bead, that's a huge time savings. So we're basically going to mock up just some stainless weld, food grade, sanitary weld. We've opened up our wobble just a little bit, so it should be a nice concave bead profile. And that way we're not going to have to come back in with a die grinder and reprofile our welds after we've made them. All right, well, this should be good here. Let's take a look at this weld. All right, so if you see here, we are slightly underfilled, slightly concave, which is exactly what we want for a sanitary weld, right? No undercut. Everything's nice and smooth, nowhere for bacteria to grow. So this has greatly reduced that post-processing time of having to go back in with a die grinder and reprofile. For more information, go to millerwelds.com or contact your local welding equipment supplier.